Hey everybody!
Welcome back to SNL Adventures.
Happy 4th of July. Logan isn't festive. I'm festive-ish.
I'm military, I'm festive.
Okay.
Today, Sadie and I are in Spring Hill, Tennessee at my dad's house. And we have bought over $400 of fireworks that we're gonna set off today.
It is currently 3 p.m. and we are gonna light off some daytime fireworks because that's fun. We'll give you all a little haul, quote unquote, of all of our fireworks later, of the big ones that we have. But babe, neighborhood is very, oh God. Oh, it's gonna be loud. Oh, I'm scared. It's gonna be that loud.
Yeah. You wanna do it?
I don't want to do it in my hand, no. Oh, I can't block my ears holding the camera. Okay. This is our bag of semi-daytime fireworks.
Yeah, we got a whole lot.
I'm so excited. We don't know what these ones do. Oh, run! Holy! Where'd it go? Did it disintegrate? Where'd it go?
Let me try that again.
Those are awesome. Ready?
All these cars, guys. The legendary food.
I thought this was funny. I think it's just like one of those snakes. I don't think it explodes, but... Oh, it's on fire. Oh yeah, it's a poop. It's a snake. No, it doesn't. It's a poop. It's a snake. It's a snake poop. Oh! You gotta warn me, bro. Ah! That one flew. Alrighty, this is the last one we're doing for now. Parachute men. People coming out.
So you're gonna try to catch him?
Yeah. If it doesn't fly to the power line. Oh, he's on fire.
Hey!
Oh! Oh, there it goes! Run! Oh no! Run! Oh no! Now we're making dessert. Oreos in here. I'm making the brownies. This is what I have. Cookie brownie bars mix.
No. Yep. The special probably better. Take it.
Wow.
No, nothing, no other season.
Had some dinner. We had hamburgers, corn, mac and cheese, steak,
They're not like fillets. I mean, you
some
know,
macaroni salad.
Ribeye
Full
is still
assortment.
salt. I think. Oh, you guys, this is seconds, man.
Here's all of our first fireworks to set off. Fireworks going off in the background.
Just a couple.
Just a few. We're gonna start the trend. It's firecrackers. Uh oh. Oh, that's bright. Holy moly, that's bright. Wow. Whoa. Oh, it fell on my head.
Yeah, I know. It's falling on my head too.
They got a show over there. Eaten alive by mosquitoes. Eaten alive. Run! It's called a whistle thing. Oh! Oh! I don't know if y'all can hear the amount of fireworks going off right now. I've never heard anything like this. Like, fireworks aren't legal in Seattle, where I grew up. This is crazy. Like, obviously you would have some people that would light them off illegally, so we would still hear fireworks, but nothing like this. This is wild. Uh-oh. Dud. Whoa. Wow.
These guys behind Sadie are going bananas.
They have probably, what did you say, $5,000 worth of fireworks?
I don't know, man. They've been going at it for the last hour.
I'm lighting off the frog prince. Wait, oh, that's his front. That's his mouth.
That's their fault.
Wow! Oh my God, he's what? Oh Lord, another car. Yeah, drive over our fireworks. That's a great idea. Lordy. Whoa. Whoa.
As my dad's going up for what, the 101. Dad, is that the right side up? Oh, you got it.
How many firecrackers are a part of this little
Here.
thing?
We're gonna let these big fires.
Amy, you ready?
Here, baby, you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Uh-oh, he wants to see this.
This one's a big one. No.
No, this is just loud. It's gonna be loud. Oh, that's gonna explode. That's gonna explode. This is our mess.
Look at that. I would buy those all day though.
Oh, there he goes with the broom. Take a break. Some friends. They're lighting off some. Oh, look out. Woo!
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, oh God. Oh, whoa. This has been a great little spot. We have fireworks show going on over there. There's been one over this house, and then there's one over here too. And then there's just some straggler fireworks all throughout the neighborhood. So we've been able to see like, oh, there it goes. We've been able to see like hundreds of fireworks just all in this area, plus our own. So it's been fun. At the grand finale, here we go.